In this video, I will teach about creating niches using quizzes. Now we are in a situation we have to evaluate our students' performance. For that, there are many tools are available in internet. Okay. In education purpose, we can evaluate the students by using quizzes. So we can conduct e-quiz using quizzes.com. How to create e-quiz? Let's have a video. Yes. So first we have to search in Google brochure. Okay. GUI.com. Quizzes.com. Just enter. So this is the next step. So it will ask login. Okay, login with email. Otherwise, we have to create username. So no need to create username. Just login with Gmail. Yes. So I have already Gmail account. Okay. I'm using this Gmail. I have created the Quizzes account. So in Quizzes app, we can create lesson and we can conduct quiz by online. Okay. Now in this video, first I wish to conduct or how to organize quiz using quizzes.com. Okay, so this is the home page. So you can find create option, explore my library. Okay, so I have already organized many quizzes. Okay, now I am going to demo how to create new quizzes. Okay. So for that we have to create option. Just click on that create. So if you click, there are two options: quiz and lesson. Okay, or creating quiz, we can click quiz. It will take to the new page. So in this page, you have to enter this quiz. Okay. For example, education. Just start typing education, and you can click more option, and just click other. If you preparing the subject, you can select the subject here. Otherwise, you just click other and next. Okay. So you can find quiz editor option, and you can add questions. So if you have multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, poll, open-ended, slide. Okay, these are the options recently updated in quizzes. Now, how to add new question? Okay, just click new question. So you can select multiple choice question and you can type it. Okay, for example, to introduce psychosocial theory. Social theory. Okay. So you can give options. Okay, for example, Skinner, next, follow, prediction, Piaget. So these are the options we can enter, and you can click the right answer also. Okay. As a teacher, if you are creating quiz, so just click tick mark. Okay. The students will not be seen, okay, while answering. As a teacher, you have to create quiz like this. Okay. You can save the question. Right. So you have created one question. Suppose if you add a new question, you can click here, multiple choice. Okay, you can add one more questions, or you can create n number of questions. Okay. For example, I will add one more question. Okay. We introduced cognitive development theory. Okay, I will options. Okay, I will give second option. So you can do in four number of options. I will Skinner. and Bruner. Okay, and Adams. So the right answer is Piaget, and you can save the question. So similarly, you can create any number of questions. Okay. So okay, you can create 20 questions or 10 questions with the prices. Okay. After that, you can, if you want to add any picture image, you can add it. Okay. Add quiz image. Okay. Otherwise, you can add here also. Okay. Right. Now you want to conduct this quiz. Okay. For that, you have to click done option. If you click done option, you will find that window like quiz details. Right? In this quiz details, add a title page. Okay. So I don't want to add any title image. Okay. Select language and select grades. So which grades you want to create this quiz. Okay. Select grades. So, so it's a university or professional development. Okay. University. I'm selecting university. And you have two options here. Who can see this quiz? Public or visible to everyone? Suppose if you want to conduct the quiz confidentially, you can go for private visible to you. Otherwise, you can select public visible to everyone. Normally, you can go to private visible to you. Okay. So no one can find this quiz except you. Now I click save option. Yes. Now the questions have created. Yes, education. I have created the subject like education, and you can start a like this. Okay, and you can also give a assign homework. You can give a homework to the students also. Now let me give a demo how to organize a quiz. If I click start a live quiz, so you can find the classic and the instructor president. I click classic. In the classic version, you can conduct n number of students. Maximum 500 students can be accommodated in this quiz platform. Right. Continue. Okay, before we go to continue, you just check participant attempts, name factory, show answers during activity. Okay. So participants the correct answers after each question. So they can view the correct answers after each question answered. And show answers after activity. So power up options, timer, show leaderboard. So the students can view the other participants or other students' name and their score. So this is the show leaderboard. And shuffle questions. We can give a shuffle questions options also, and you can give shuffle answers option. Okay, so if you need, you can enable it or you can disable it. Right. So these are the some features available in pieces, and let me click continue. Yes. So this is the page. Okay. So I have created. So now you can ask the students to join the pieces by using this website, and this code 438402 is created for the particular questions. Okay, particular questions. If you once you announce to the students or once you post to the students, they can join. So after that, you can find the number of students can audit here. Okay. So after once you reach the all the students, we can start the quiz. Okay. For example, I'm adding to the quizzes website. Okay. Join again. For students, you can give a quizzes website address and you can give that code. Okay. By using that code, the students can join. Okay. So for that, there are two options. One quizzes website is there. Another you can download the quizzes app from Google Play Store. Okay. Uh, I think you don't need to download. Okay. Directly go to Google browser in your mobile phone or laptop. Okay. I'm entering the code 438402. Join a game. I just join this game. Enter my name. Okay. So enter my name and start option. See here. Velu. So I have joined as a student. Okay, right. So once you plan, so if you if you have 40 students in your class, just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, once the 40 students joined, you can start. Right. I'm starting this. So it will start like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the students will answer. Okay. So like this, if the students answers correctly, the scores will be like this. Okay. So similarly, you can conduct the quizzes in many ways. Okay. After that, you can end the quiz like this, and you can end the quiz. So after that, the scores will displayed. Okay. Yes. So the students will be very appreciated by this course. Okay. So you can find the student score. Okay. So you can get the students question wise answer, right? So if the students answered more than 40 students, you can find 40 students list. Similarly, you can organize this quiz. Okay. So you can exit this quiz, right? After that, you can get a report also. See here, for 3 minutes, you have conducted education subject. You click education, you can get a entire report also. Okay. So you can print the report and you can download the report. So this way you can organize any type of quiz in your subject. Thank you.